Actually, I am going to tack on to what I just spoke of in the last video about martial law. Should that ensue, again, please read the document. It's really imperative that each one of us is informed as to what that means. And should it ensue, I think of great import, of greatest import is remaining calm. Because things don't always look as they seem, and though it might seem quite chaotic, I mean, already things are pretty chaotic in the world, and increasingly so if one looks to you know, the prices of food and fuel and that sort of thing, and that's because of well, why is that? Why are prices of food and the essentials, why are they all going up? Why are more shelves empty in the stores? Well, if you are a local grower of food, for example, or a purchaser of local food, you wouldn't really have noticed, perhaps, especially if it's a small grower that you're getting your stuff from. However, if your purchases are generally from a grocery store, and you don't really look at where your produce is coming from, so for example, it's coming in from China or Chile or you know, wherever else in the world aside from your locality, then probably, yes, you have noticed the shelves are bare. And so the question is, yes, there's a shortage, which many have spoken of and continue to do so, and prices going up. And also the question is, where is all that stuff actually? And there's again, and I encourage you to look into this, it is said, whether you believe it or not, I'll just say that there are numerous tankers that are unable to offload, and hence carrying their shipments on their cargo ships, and without being able to offload, destinations not receiving, and holding on to the stuff they need to load onto those ships. You get what I'm saying, so just follow that sort of line of thought. So the stuff exists, but it's stuck out close to the ports and at sea. So what can you actually do is another question, and I think coming from a lover and not a fighter, this might not be something you like, but truly, what can we do? You know, go out and get yourself some perishable goods is what I would recommend and suggest. Have some water on hand, bottled, or just have some water on hand for 3 days, 10 days, 2 weeks, whatever. Just, you know, just. And also, right, I just wanted to, I suppose this is why I really came back on to say this part in particular, because, you know, I think of the situation in the world and the word chaos, and how that's been so misconstrued to mean bad, just like the word weird or weirdo. It's my dear friend Jonathan Spencer enlightened me the other day that weirdo actually means supernatural. So thank you, Jonathan, and you'll be hearing from us much more together. Anyways, as he runs he's the genius behind 7 Circles on YouTube. So much more about that. Anyways, so yeah. So the word chaos has been misconstrued greatly, and in a state of chaos we are in, which I liken to my body, a woman's body, that is, with the ability to create life and give birth. So we are in a state of pregnancy, if one could say that, and actually it's not that we're in a state of pregnancy anymore. We're actually in labor, you know, if you can think of the body of Earth as a pregnant woman. And actually not just Mama Gaia, not just Mother Earth, but the entirety, everything, everyone, all of us are part of that pregnancy. And we're in labor, hence, you know, the volcanic activity, the earthquakes, the unrest of natural sort of disasters, and just the general unrest with the elements, really. We're in labor. This is labor pains, and I actually, you know, speaking to the other Earth mothers, we've already birthed the new Earth. That's been done, and there is a bit of a lag, I suppose, and it feels like the collective is in the birth canal, which is well, I don't remember it, but one could imagine it's a dark, tight place for ourselves to have gone through if we had that experience. Not everyone does or did, and yeah, so we've got the mass of humanity in the birth canal, and what looks and feels to be absolutely chaotic, despotic, and just absolutely atrocious with the things that are going on. Can you imagine that you're right before the birth and you come out, and I mean, some of you I know see the light. Some of you are on the other side, Earth mothers, and others are in the canal. And look, you were once born, and what you have to trust and have faith in is that you're going to be born again. So chaos to order, just like a woman's body, which is by no means chaotic in the sense that that we've all been led to believe. A very beautiful system of organization that creates life. So I leave you with that. That's all I wanted to say. God bless you. Loads of love, and be well. Please be well, and I highly recommend that you get the just have stuff on hand at home, the water and non-perishable foods. Sorry, non-perishable, in the best the best things that you can put into your body. Yeah. Anyways, loads of love. Bye.